motherfuckers!
You can't fuck with the CISO, please no interruptions. The crew pull out guns, get waxed in the sun like Marine Top 6'5". Mess with the switches, the hinges, you're getting too big.
Oh, welcome back. Oh, we got some shit done today so far. We got the tractor fixed. So the bolts that are back here, what hold the whole rim onto the hub, most of them all backed off. So I ended up having to take the stupid wheel weight off. And of course, I need a special tool to get to the back of the studs for these because they're lug nuts with studs on them to hold the wheel weights. So that was quite a pain in the ass to get that off. So I could just get those, I think they're 6 bolts what are around the whole rim, what pinch the rim into the center hub. So that's working now. We did get the frame back in. Used the Dodge to move it back underneath the carriage. Oh, we got the frame in the shop so far. We got the cab hanging here, so we'll bring the tractor back over and see if the tractor will pick this up. So we'll let this down and we'll try to get this in the shop. There you go. That's how you do that. Just drop it to the ground. Well, now that we got that down on the ground, we'll grab the tractor and we'll take it over and put the cab in one of the bays. So, get this bad boy started. There we go. There it is. Gotta go get the cab. That is working. Next tractor parts for the logging truck. Set it idle. That's good. And I will throw the straps on to the front and then we can pick this thing up. Well, here we go. Let's see if it will move it. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Let's get it in the shop. We got it in the shop! Yay! Oh, got the frame in, got the cab in. So, that's good. Whew. At least I beat the rain getting it in. We're definitely gonna have a lot of work with this frame. Still got some more stuff to do with it. We gotta get the other truck around and get it over by the hoist. At least now we can do the floors in this. Now that it's in here, we can gut all this crap apart. Of course, I just realized that the rain gutter is kind of fucking shitty on it, but that doesn't matter. At least the tractor got it in here. So we'll get this all cleaned out and start getting it put together. We'll strip down the rest of the frame here. Still got to pull this tank out. We got to check the bell housing to see if it will fit the old logging truck. If not, we'll have to order a new bell housing. It is pretty shitty in there. And we got some work to do on the front nose of the frame to stiffen it up a little bit more. We might have to change the motor mounts for the straight six what's going in. We definitely have to reinforce this if we're going to put the front loader on it. So we'll see how that goes when we get to that point, once we get the motor and cab back on. And then we can make the front mounts and cylinder ram mounts and everything else. Back to frame here, pretty good and solid. I'm definitely going to double plate it anyways, just for what I need to do with it. So, I mean, it does need to pull logs, houses down, big boulders. Yeah, when you're going to make a big heavy-duty toy, we're going to try. I'm just hoping that the Sterling rear end is the same gear ratio as this 1 ton. I'll find out shortly when I open both of them up to see if they have the same gear ratios. Whew. Well, that's where we're at right now. Well, these cylinders seem to be working pretty good so far. No leaks. Might have to do something about the hydraulic pump. I think it's starting to wear out. I know I got a couple other little things I need to do. This valve body needs to be rebuilt or replaced. I think I want a 3 lever so I can put the small hydraulic cylinder here so I can have push down on the 3-point hitch for like the York rake and drag plow what I have for the tractor. So we got the logging truck hooked up to the next truck. I'm going to try to drag it around to the other side of the garage so we can get underneath the hoist. Got to jack it up a little bit more, pull the winch a little bit tighter, tie up the front drive shaft here so it's not dangling, and then we should be able to get it moved. Alright, so we got the truck pretty much as high as we can get it for the way this is. And that fucker split again. So, pretty much off the ground. Got the front drive shaft all tied up. So, I'll take the logging truck in this one, and we'll get it back over there on that side of the garage. Then we gotta go all the way around. So we're just gonna let the battery charge for a little bit so we can put it in gear and then we can go, because flame cylinder doesn't work in this. And the clutch is about halfway burnt out. Oh, this will be fun. Here we go. Dragging it along. That's close enough. That worked. Dug it a little bit here. Well, we didn't screw up the driveway too bad. But we did get it over here. The logging truck definitely didn't like that. But here we are, ready to start taking this one apart. But you can see here, totally not happy. Everything's sagging and twisting again. That's why we're redoing it. So we'll be using this frame with the one what we just put in the shop over there. Putting those two together. We're going to try to add that rear end with the other one to make it 6-wheel drive, because this has another 4-wheel drive case in it. So we'll see how this goes. We'll get this unhooked and then we can start tearing this apart.